single heart, a Bagheera, Balu, and Mowgli. Opening no jungle. Vivid orchestral music, original instrumental, rises softly as we fade in on a glowing sunrise over the Indian jungle. Lush trees glisten with dew. A cool mist hovers like silk dot. Narrator, warm, comforting voice. Part of the vast and ancient jungle, where emerald leaves whisper tales and golden rays dance upon the river's edge, lived a young boy who walked barefoot beneath the sky, Mowgli. But this isn't just Mowgli's story. It's the story of friendship, courage, and the heart that beats within us all, human and beast alike. Chapter 1. The dropping rain and the whispering claw. The monsoon had just passed, and the jungle was alive again. Green vines shimmered with raindrops like silver pearls. Deep within this emerald world, Bagheera, sleek as shadow, wise as tongue, moved silently through the underbrush. He paused, eyes sharp. Something stirred. Why it waited, probably chasing dragonflies or wrestling that bear. Then, from the bun, for very ugly, boom. Bun, Ira, you should have seen it. Mowgli tried to leap off a banyan tree into the river, missed the branch, fell right water. Ah. Oh, oh, you think he was born in the jungle? He sighed, but he heart. From behind, eagle, but I hair and full of light. Grinning, I saw laughed. Hira eyes held worry. Junk had the silent tree. Eyes blinked out in the silent. A trail of clocks glowed faint on a hollow tree. Just absolutely. Hira muttering. I think I know. Not Shere Khan. Not Ka. This is something else. Balu lumped up behind him, carrying a bottle of honeycombs. Pedal slap. Isn't it something that doesn't the tale of the wounded vine. The next morning, the jungle buzzed with unease. Birds flew higher than usual. The monkeys, normally noisy, were silent. Mop sat on a stone near the river, skipping rocks. His reflection rippled like a dream. Mowgli, softly. Do you think I'll ever see other people like me? Hira lay beside him. Hira, there are people with your face, Mowgli, but none with your heart. Balu waddled over, sat beside them, and tossed Mowgli a mango. Don't go looking for the word, little man. All will for you out through those words with butter. Chapter 4. The Flame in the Dark. That night, a fire, controlled, not wild. A fire in the jungle, which no beast would start. And voices, foreign, sharp, commanding. Human. Yes. Narrow. Yeah. They've come again. Not for war. Not for passage. They hunt. Mowgli stood, confused. Mowgli. They're like me. Uh, no, kid. Not like you. You're jungle. They're not. Mowgli watched the fire flicker between the trees, his heart caught between two worlds. The part. Trees cried. The hunters set traps. One morning, Mowgli heard a cry. A baby elephant had fallen into a pit. Without a thought, he ran. Bagheera followed, tense and silent. The jungle teaches any, but it never teaches to look away from suffering. Mowgli had learned that from his animal family. With wise, teamwork, and persistence, they freed the calf. The elephant mother looked at Mowgli and lowered her head in silent respect. Chapter 6. Heart of the Jungle. But in the lead hunter, Captain Rana, had seen Mowgli with the beasts. We can use him or take him back. He doesn't belong here. Bagheera overheard. Bagheera, he will not be a trophy. He will not be a bridge. They have to do fast. Mowgli, torn by identity, wasn't ready to leave. I want to know who I am. But softly, you who erased. That's enough. Chapter 7. The Great Choice. Cornered between staying with his family and being taken to the man village, Mowgli made his choice. At under the stars, he met with the hunter. He firmly, I'm not lost. I was found by Bagheera, by Balu, by the jungle. The hunter, surprised, tried to grab him, but vines rustled, trees moved, and from the shadows emerged. Not that, but to stand, but and powerful. The elephant. The, the jungle didn't need war. It only needed unity. Chapter 8. A New Dawn. As the sun rose again, Mowgli stood by the river, watching light touch the trees. Bagheera sat beside him. Balu snored on a rock. I know who I am now. I am jungle. I am wild. But I'm also kind and brave and human. And I will protect this place. Bagheera. Sun. Jungle. The camera moves upward, showing the jungle pulsing with life, colorful, warm, magical. It closing. We are not born to one world. We belong to all who show us love. And in a world that forgets to listen to its heartbeat, sometimes the jungle reminds us what it means to feel. Moral of the story. Family is not defined by species or blood, but by love and the courage to stand by each other. We are not who the world expects, we are who we choose to be.